Indians don't know how to get Indian citizenship but search for US, Canada, and Australian citizenship. Indians are obsessed with getting citizenship in the US, Canada, and Australia. But if you ask them how someone can become an Indian citizen, they go blank. Surprising, right? Well, let's talk about this. Just go to Google Trends and you will see how many Indians are searching for how to get a green card, how to settle in Canada. But how many know that their citizenship is hard to get? Almost no one. Okay, let's test this out. Do you know how a person can become an Indian citizen? If you're born in India, it's obvious. But what about foreigners? There are actually 5 ways to get Indian citizenship. By birth. Born in India before 1987, you are automatically Indian. After that, at least one parent must be Indian. By descent. If you're born outside India but have Indian parents, you can claim citizenship. By registration. Overseas Indians who want to come back can register. By naturalization. If a foreigner lives in India for 12 years and meets requirements, they can apply. By incorporation of territory. If India acquires new land, people living there become Indian citizens. Now, how many of you knew this? Comment below. Why do Indians know everything about getting PR in Canada but nothing about Indian citizenship? Maybe because India doesn't allow dual citizenship. If you take a foreign passport, you have to give up your Indian one. That is why NRIs are given an overseas citizen of India card instead. We proudly say Mera Bharat Mahan, but when it comes to living here, many dream of moving abroad. It's funny how we know all about foreign immigration rules but nothing about our own. Now that you know how someone can actually get Indian citizenship, here's my challenge. Ask your friends and family and see how many of them know. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, share, and subscribe for more mind blowing content. See you in the next one.